Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we are buying sand. We decided to go with lake sand, locally known as Luela sand. Why? Because apparently it has less impurities, and with this sand you can use it for the entire project. You can use it for construction, like for brickwork. You can use it for the foundation. You can use it for plastering. You can also use it even for backfilling if you want to, but that is really a waste. But yeah, it is good quality, so that's why we decided to go with this. Today we are delivering our first sino truck. Like you can see, it is well packed. That's very important. Sometimes it comes half full, but this is well packed, so we have gotten value for our money so far. So good. We were able to be lucky to get 3 sino trucks to work for us, so they will be delivering back to back. There comes the second one. It's backing up so that it can go and pour on the other hip as well. He has to drive very extra careful because the ground is right now very soft. It's been raining for a couple of weeks. This makes our soil type very, very soft as we are sitting on clay soil. So we are going closer to inspect the sand granules. They are really good sand. It's a good quality. You have to know what you're buying, because sometimes these guys will deliver you a poor quality sand and claim this is what you're looking for if you don't know what you're looking for. So he has backed up and he's going to tip over and pour on top of this sand that was already delivered by the other one. On this day, we were able to deliver about 3 sino trucks of sand. We will start with this and see how far this takes us, and if we need more, we shall order for more. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.
Natambula nnyo. Andi bwe yakulera oli gwali gwenkana bwe guti. Nedda. Yakubba.